Hello, fourth graders. Today you are going to be working on identifying clues that help you recognize other people's feelings and identifying similarities and differences between how two people feel. You're going to look at the photos of the people showing a particular emotion. You're going to use the physical clues that might help you infer why do you feel that way. We did that before. On Monday, I introduced you to Gabriela and Joshi, and I asked you to think what Gabriela was feeling. And we have said many things. Do you remember what her feeling was, and why did you think of that? Take a few seconds to recall what your answer was. I remember that one of the words that I have used to show her feelings was excited. And the reason was that I saw that she was smiling, right? So her mouth is smiling, right? And she doesn't have a frown on her forehead. So that is forehead, sorry. So this is exactly what you are going to do. I want you to fill in the blank. So when you see the line, I want you to cover it and put the correct or the word that you want to write. If you want, you can change the color and put it in a different thing, or you can just leave it blank. I am going to put it in a different color so that I know that I answered my question. So I'm going to put it blue. Okay. Muy bien. The other part is that I am going to ask you is think what makes her feel this way. So you're going to think of a scenario. I remember that I asked you to do that, but I gave you the answer. She was going to go on a roller coaster. You can come up with anything for the faces of the kids that we are going to work with today. Okay, good luck.